guys, it's Monday and I'm here looking like Sideshow Bob with this mess of my hair. I was trying to detangle it, which is why I look the way I do. It's also like the only break I have today because it's Monday and work is taking over, which is fine. Like, that's the priority. I need a salary. I just finished washing my hair. Hey guys, I just finished washing my hair and I got a call that a package that I've been waiting for I just received. So I wanted to show you. It's a desk. It's foldable. You can put it away. Really needed this. I've been needing a desk for a while. Ignore the hammering. They're doing construction upstairs. I've been needing a desk for a while, but we have a small space that couldn't fit a full desk. So when I saw this on Instagram yesterday, foldable desk, again construction, I'm sorry, I had to order it. So it just came. I'm going to attempt to assemble it before my husband comes, but if not, I will wait for him. If I can't do it, he'll have to come and do it for me because I'm a feminist, but I'm a damsel in distress. Hey, do you see that table there? That's women in engineering. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm sitting on my new desk because, you know, women in engineering and women in the careers. I'm having lunch. It's lunch break. I've been sitting here working. It's really more comfortable than sitting on the couch, I must say, and I've been a lot more productive. As you can see, my hair is done. I twisted it last night. It took longer than it needed to because this girl's hair has grown so much. But shrinkage, it make me un poco loco. Oh, I love that TikTok trend, to be honest. So yeah. Hey people, welcome back to the kitchen. Yeah, so earlier today, the husband said he wants beans and plantain. So I've been soaking these beans whilst doing work and I think it's ready to cook. Fortunately, he called at a good time because if he had called me at this time that he wants beans and plantain, like, you have to go and bend the seed. I'm joking, but yeah. So I'm about to cook the beans. He bought plantain yesterday, so I'm sure that's why he's been thinking about beans and plantain the whole day. So let's do this. Hey guys, so unplanned unboxing video. Because why not? We received this juicer from our marriage counselor as a wedding gift, and a year later we have yet to use it, but that changes today. My husband came back home with a bunch of oranges because he wants fresh orange juice. I don't look, the man has demands today, okay? I had to just come back and show you this. So I was looking for the cable and then look, it has its own storage cabinet. Like, how cool is that? I wish all devices came like this, to be honest. It's so handy. These are the things that excite me, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay, what?
I swear, I love it so much.
Well, I love taking you to the park, you've enjoyed the roller coaster.
The roller coaster. The roller coaster.
You know you're a child, right?
I'm not, I'm 14, please.
I just drive straight to the police station and I will turn myself in. What do you call it? What do you call it?
I don't know the name of the place. Nursery.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you go to a nursery and then just keep go from baby to baby to baby. The phone will unlock.
Wow, so I look like a baby.
Don't say it like it's a compliment. I'm just telling you that your phone can be unlocked by
with a baby's face.
Random baby faces.
I hear you.
So keep acting like it. I'm just telling you.
Oh, what happened to the music? I don't want news.
It's good for you to listen to news.
Oh, you can put it on music.
If you listen to more news, this will have finished by now. Then there will be only music. But you're leaving me to listen to all the news. So
Hey,
there will be plenty left over.
Amy, put it on music.
It's your money, your pension that I'm talking about.
Oh, I don't want to listen to news. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty.
That's what I say.
I didn't vlog last week. Like, I vlogged, but it was really boring. So, like, I didn't see the point in sharing. But we went shopping last week, and it was like it was an annoying kind of shopping. Because when inflation was hitting, like, the high, we went and then we shopped a lot. And so we still have, like, a lot of stock in the pantry. So we wanted to do, like, Christmas shopping. And then we went and we didn't need anything because the pantry is already full. So we just got drinks and biscuits. But like I wanted to do like a Christmas shopping and I had money. So I wanted to spend, like, hold like a full trolley with goodies. But I mean, fortunately, like, a lot of things have gone up. So we definitely made some savings shopping when we did. But I wanted to do Christmas shopping. It was really boring. I can't get used to this. Hey guys. Whatever I'm coming to say, I already thought I had recorded, but my camera hates me and it wasn't recording. Whatever. So I was just coming in to tell you guys that I have an event in 4 hours that I'm excited about. I have a vision board event. My friend invited me, and I'm looking forward to it because I have never created a vision board. I've never created a vision board. I have never been at an event like this. And one of the things I want to do more of in 2023 is attend events like this. So I'm excited that I get to do this. Happens in 4 hours. A bunch of us are going to sit together and create a vision board together, I guess. And we've been asked to just bring some sentimental pictures. I think they have everything else covered. So I'm really looking forward to it. I will probably vlog some parts, but generally I'd like to just focus on the event. So we'll see. But yeah, vision board event. Guys, I've been on the run for 3 times, so third time's a charm, I guess. Guys, the thing that made me happiest is this box. Stationery.
Vision.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi YouTube. My fine friend.
What's business?
I mean, one of my resolutions is to be less clumsy.
Hello people, it's the day before Christmas. Today I'm not at home, I'm at my mother's house eating the bread. Later today I'm going for a family event with my sister. My mom there, she said she has a party. In her old age, she has a party. She's chilling. But catch you at the family event. Bye. Guys, we are at the event, but it doesn't start till 4. So we're going to buy kinky and eat before the party starts. Okay?
We're on the floor. I don't know how to play.
Do your work. He's very aggressive for this.
Sliding there too.
Look at my husband.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices.
Hey, baby. Baby,
No!
yes, we have this thing for babies. Now you're happy.
Hey guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and keep an eye out because there's more exciting content coming to the channel soon. Bye.